I'm gonna do the most daredevilish thing with the monster truck. I'm gonna go over those logs, and I'm gonna try to land it on the sidewalk, or I may bump off and crash. Go! Whoa! It's a
Whoa, that's a bump off.
Oh, well, he still makes it.
He still makes it.
He still makes it, but his back still got torn off. But he still makes it on the sidewalk.
That's